Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking, fully upgraded Catalyst skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking character, and to begin we're going to start out with the middle of the eye. So we're just drawing two lines first, so this is going to be the space between the eyes. And then from the corner here, we just kind of curve it up and give it a slight hook at the end. I know this is a very tricky shape to draw. So curve up and then just a slight hook at the end. Alright, and then from there we're going to come down from the corners. And then we just round it out. Just close it off with a slight curve. Okay, and then we're going to draw the inside. So the inside is a little bit easier. So it's kind of small. Just kind of follow the line. Just draw one more shape inside. Okay, so that's the eye shape, and that's probably the trickiest part. So it gets easier from here on. To draw the little nose right here, right in the center, just come down with a little triangle. Okay, and then for the mouth area, this one's easy, just two little curves going out. Alright, so now let's draw in the shape of the mask. So start up here, all the way in the corner, and just kind of slant out toward the eye area down here. So it's a little bit wider. So once you have this slant, we're going to come back in, just go all the way down, and finish up the chin. Alright, and then from there we'll finish up the top, and then we can add in all the cool little details on the mask. So we're going to start right in the middle, just come up, just right around here. Just add a little line first. That's going to be the top of the head, and then now the ear is going to be on the side. So for this one, we'll just go out from the center. And then whatever you have here, just come down and close it off. So it's going to be the ears. Alright, and then for the inside of the ears right here, just draw two lines like this. And then now just follow the curve on the outside. And that'll give us the detail for the ear. Alright, so now let's draw in the details right here. Let's start right in the middle. Just one big V shape here. And then close it off on the top with a little angle. And then to continue this, just draw the same V shape again, and then just close it again. So it's like a little diamond. Okay, and then right above the eyes, this one's could be a little bit tricky. So just curve out like this. And then from that curve, we're gonna draw in the top one, and it's gonna be a little bit wider. Alright, and then for the ones on the side, you can start in the corner right here. Just come in into the nose area, and then just go back out. And I think there's a couple more here. So this one's easy. We'll just add like two little angles coming in. And let's just add one more here. Alright, and then to finish up the head, let's draw in the hoodie. So we're going to continue with this line right here. This is going to be the inside of the hoodie. We're going to curve it down all the way to the middle. Okay, so same thing here. Come down, turn it, close it off. Alright, and then for the outside of the hoodie, we're going to continue with this line. Just go out. And then we're going to go all the way up. So just follow that curve right behind the ear. And then one line in the center here. Okay, so that's the hoodie, and now let's add in her neck. So it's gonna be right inside here. So this one's easy. We just draw 2 lines in and then just slant it out. Here's her shoulder. And we can add in a little bit detail just to finish this area up. Just 2 lines. Okay, so now for the, she has a really big collar right here. So right here below, we gotta draw 1 line slanting out. So right here, just go out right underneath the hoodie. Okay, and then start here again. Same angle, just a little bit shorter, just come out. And then we're gonna connect this. So just go all the way to the top. Okay, so I know it's a little bit tricky here. So once you have these, we're gonna draw the back side. So from this corner, just turn it behind the head. And then this one's gonna be like a seam here, like a little bar. It's gonna be gold, so we just draw a little line like this. Alright, so now we can continue on with the body. So here's the shoulder part, right? We just gotta continue this. We'll go out just a little bit. And then we're gonna pinch it down all the way to her waist. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw the inside now. So continue with this one. Just come down to the waist area and stop, and then we'll draw 1 line here. So we're gonna close this off, and this is gonna be her belt. So we'll just extend it. So just draw a little rectangle down there. So that's gonna be in the belt buckle inside. 2 lines, and then yeah, let's just go ahead and finish this. And then 2 little rectangles right there. Alright, and then to finish up the inside, we'll just draw 1 line here. Alright, so let's come down and finish up the bottom of the coat first, and then we'll move on to the arm. So we'll extend this because this is going down past her belt. And then this part here, we'll just flare out. So this is going to be the back of the coat. So this is a little bit longer. So now we'll just connect this with a curve. We'll just close that off. Alright, and then we're drawing the rest, but let's go ahead and come back up here and finish up the arms first. So we're going to start here. Come down and then just go in toward the body. So she's got really big sleeves here. Come down and then same thing here. Alright, and then now for her arms, so her elbow is right around here. So we'll just draw in like 2 little lines and close it off because she's got those really big gloves. We'll extend it for the glove. And then just pinch it in and then close it. So that's gonna be a wrist. And then for her hand, we'll just keep it simple here because it's kind of right behind the coat. So I'm just gonna hook it for the thumb. Back of the fist, just turn it and close it. Alright, so if your arm is, hand is behind this, that's okay too. Alright, so let's continue with the other side. So same thing here. Just a little block, and then we'll extend this line for the glove, and then we'll pinch it in. Okay, use the other side for reference. And then little hook. Back of the fist, and then turn it and close it. Alright, so let's add in some details to the coat here. So here's another bar, so we'll just continue with this line here. And then on the shoulders, just draw a little angle like this. So that's gonna be gold color. And then lastly, you got one big design here. So we'll just come out and then come down to right around the belt area. And then we just follow this curve here, we just go out. So we'll see these shapes much better when I color them. Alright, so that's the top, and the bottom is a little bit easier. So let's draw her legs first, and then we'll finish up the coat. So here's the middle, come down, make a little mark. And then let's start out on the inside this time. Just slant down. So come right around here, because here's the hip. We just imagine a line coming down, so start right around here. Come in, here's your knee. Okay, so same thing here. And here's the hip, coming down the thigh. Okay, so now for the bottom here, to finish up her pant, we'll flare out. It goes out quite a bit, and then we'll come back in and just close it. Okay, so flare out, come up here, come back in and then close it. Okay, and then for her leg here, it's gonna be skinny, so just come in, taper it in and close it. And then here's a shoe. Dome shape, curve, and then come out a little bit more on this side. One little detail. And then same thing here. Pinch it in. Dome shape, come down, come out a little bit more on this side. Okay, and then to finish up the pant right here, let's add one little line here. Okay, so all we have to do right now is to finish up the back side of the coat. So this one's easy. Just follow this curve here, curve, and just go into the leg. So follow the curve, come down. Okay, so hook it around, and then right in the middle, just come up a little bit, draw one line, and then this one's gonna go out. So it's gonna connect somewhere behind there. And that is it for this fully upgraded Catalyst. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.